interrupt my review of the 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe for a nature break. See those cows running in the background? I don't think they like me. Or maybe it's the Santa Fe. Where are you going? There's some more right there. There's a straggler. You gotta love the nature breaks. You gotta love it. That's what I love about nature, is variation, you know? Nothing's ever quite the same, day by day. Whoa! I'm getting into the vehicle and Mr. Grasshopper decides to jump on it.
She likes to needle him too much.
Well,
That's joking. I mean,
yeah.
I think Bronx is tired of it a lot.